There are truly experts among the people. These little life hacks are just amazing. What if your clothes zipper breaks? What if you don't know how to fix it? Don't worry. Today, we'll teach you the simplest way to quickly repair a zipper, making your clothes as good as new. Get a drinking straw, cut it to 3 centimeters in length, then cut it open from the middle and fold it in half. Once you achieve this effect, next, apply some glass glue to the damaged part of the zipper. Then stick the cut straw onto it, pressing repeatedly back and forth. Pay attention to the details of the operation. Finally, trim off the excess parts and you're done. So, can a damaged zipper repaired with a straw really be used? Let's test it and see how it works. You can see that when the slider is accurately aligned with the repaired spot, it zips up effortlessly. It's truly incredible. Friends, have you learned this quick repair method? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments section. See you next time.